Hello, my name is Yuri Slutsky. I'm a home inspector with MSP Inspections LLC. What makes my company different from the rest of the home inspectors? To start with, this is a unique communication approach. In addition to words, I'm using visual communication. I call this communication process an eye-opener. When the inspection is completed, I'm preparing a personal presentation where my clients get all the information in such a way that they can clearly understand it, and based on that, they can make an informed decision. My inspections include free-of-charge services such as infrared thermal imaging that allows me to show my clients things about their homes that can't be revealed using conventional inspection methods. I'm using a combustion analyzer to measure and interpret a range of parameters such as stock temperature, flue pressure, and levels of gases, especially carbon monoxide levels inside the exhaust pipes of furnaces, boilers, and water heaters. I'm measuring water pressure measurement, bathtub overflow drain testing, and conducting a relative humidity measurement to determine if there is a risk of mold growth. In addition to that, I'm offering a free drinking water test. The next factor is my experience, 7+ years in the home inspection business and 35+ years in home renovations and remodeling. I have the latest tools. I'm using the best moisture meters and combustion analyzers the industry has to offer. I guarantee home inspection reports are delivered electronically within 24 hours after the inspection is completed. The company is open 7 days a week, which means inspections are even on Sundays. In addition to home inspections, MSP Inspections offers the following services: radon measurement, sewer scope inspections, mold testing, and 3D image mapping, which allows me to plot recording of property height readings at various locations on the property directly into the image in real time. When the inspection is done, I'm hugging my clients. That's a joke. But I'm looking forward to meeting you and conducting the best home inspection you can get in our lovely Twin Cities.
This was excellent work. Really good job.